Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. This week's idea is alternatives posts. Alternatives posts are like list posts, where you list out alternatives of a specific product. People usually search for alternative posts when they wish to switch to a different product with similar functions. The basic difference between a list post and an alternative post is that you write the latter based on another product. Readers are already familiar with that particular type of product. Now your job is to provide alternatives with upgraded features or cheaper pricing plans. Additionally, keep track of negative news on certain products as alternatives gain popularity, mostly when the product failure or side effects are trending. Just like list posts, these reviews also gain more traction if you add more alternatives than your competitors. The basic difference between a list post and an alternative post is that you write the latter based on another product. Here are some examples of alternative posts. 13 best Zoom alternatives, and how to use them. 5 alternatives to Google Plus for your local business. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.